Okay, hey ladies and gents, if you're watching. So with the eyebrows, I'm just trimming some of the hair from my eyebrows. I'm starting from the very bottom of where I see the hair growing underneath. So I would not cut my eyebrows. That's important, y'all. Do not try to get real close up and personal on the hairs and then mess around and your eyebrow messed up. You got a slash in it because you went too close. So just make sure you be careful when doing that. So now I'm just going to show you how I do my eyebrows. Everybody does their eyebrows different, but if you want something slight and something quick, just look and see how I do these eyebrows. I always start with drawing my line, and I pretty much make my own arch on how I want my eyebrows to look. So that's what I'm doing. I'm giving you the illusion of the eyebrow. I drew and underlined how I wanted my eyebrows, as you can see me doing right here. And then you're going to see me get the brush and just touch it up. Welcome, boo-boos. Okay, so I'm just going over that line, and I'm starting my line at the top of the eyebrow and just tracing and following in the eyebrow of how I want it to look. So that's all I'm doing. It may look complicated, y'all, but if you take your time and you actually know what you're doing, it's not complicated. But I do have like 3-4 years of practice on eyebrows. So yeah. I don't want y'all to miss this. So I'm going in with the brown pencil, and then I'm making my top of my eyebrows, or my beginning of my eyebrows, and giving it that lighter but natural effect to it. As you can see, the eyebrows are dark towards the back, but the front it gets light. So if you don't want your eyebrows to be super black, make sure you do it light and make sure you know what you're doing. Use two different pencils. Use the black one and also use the brown one. Y'all, this is my best eyebrow. It took me zero point 0.5 seconds just to do the bottom. And as y'all can see, it's taking me 0.5 seconds to do the top. So it's really much easier for this eyebrow. I think it's because I have more eyebrows on this side. But yeah. And it doesn't has to look super perfect, y'all, doing this part, because you're going to see in a few seconds that we're going to use concealer to clean it up. I'm not gonna tell no lie. I really feel like the other eyebrow could have been touched up a little more, but it's fine. I feel like this is what I'm going for today. I wanted to go for a little thicker but natural look with the eyebrows, and I feel like this is serving when it needs to be serving. So we're gonna go in with the light yellow concealer. I'm trying to get it adjusted for y'all. I'm sorry, but we're going in with like the whitish yellow. And we're going to just put that underneath the eyebrow and trace it, and then you'll see what it's going to look like. Y'all, try not to put too much of the concealer underneath because you're gonna have to do a lot of wiping, as y'all gonna see me do in this video. Like I said, this is on a budget, so if you have beauty blender sponges, that would be so perfect for blending in your concealer for your eyebrows. But if you do not, then just do with what you got, which is what I'm gonna do, and it's gonna be with tissue. Okay, it's gonna be with tissue. It works just as fine. It might be a little longer process, but it still gets the job done. Today I did not decide to put concealer on the top. Usually I would do the top and the bottom, but I felt like that was just too much for today. I just wanted to show you something quick and something simple. So as you see, I'm just gonna take the tissue and I'm just gonna pat it off. I'm just gonna just tap and pat. Towards the end, I'm gonna slightly rub because I realized that I put a little too much concealer. Like I said, when you're putting it under your eyebrows, don't try to do like a lighter coat. Don't do it too thick. And that is something with taking your eyebrows off. It does happen a little too quick. So yeah. I meant the concealer, y'all, not the eyebrows. I'm sorry. Okay, so now y'all, what we're doing is going in with like the oranges peaches concealer. I call it the orange peach concealer because I don't know what color it is, and I just know it's not really my color. So, and we're just gonna tap it and put it everywhere. We're gonna put it eyelids, under eyelids, forehead. We're just putting tiny light spots everywhere. I try to take this and put it really where the dark areas on my face are, but I still put it everywhere. But what you see me doing is I'm taking one of my brushes and I'm just blending with the brush. Like I said, if you have beauty blender sponges, that will work very, very, very good for doing your makeup. It will work way better than a brush. But since we're on a budget and since we're going the alternative route, we're going to just use the brush and we're going to blend it in. Y'all, make sure you double check like 5 times. Make sure you double check because if you don't double check, you will see that there's areas that you missed. But I'm going to the more of my shade concealer, and I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to put it in areas that I need it in to make it blend. Under eyes, everywhere, the dark areas, eyelids, forehead, nose, all of that. And I'm taking my other brush and I'm just blending it in everywhere. Make sure, like I said, y'all, make sure you get everywhere, y'all. You might think it's blended everywhere. Then you turn around and you see that it ain't. But okay, so what I did here was I just took some of the concealers and I just put it in the spots that I knew that I needed more of it in, and I just started blending some more. So if you're wondering where that come from, yeah, that's what it was. I just put some more concealer in certain areas that I thought I needed it. To be real and to be honest, I think this concealer breaks me out because when we first started this process, if you can go back to the beginning and look yourself, my face wasn't bumpy like it is right now. It just started breaking out of nowhere. But the final result looks real good, so I'm not gonna complain too much. Yeah. All right, y'all. Now we're going in with the bronzer, and I'm just putting it on my cheekbones and giving myself that highlight look, because I don't have any blush or anything. So I just took the bronzer and made it into my highlight. And I'm going around my forehead, around the perimeter of my entire head, and just giving it that more illusion look. Yes, y'all see that highlight serving. I have to keep blending it in more because it looked like it was like spacious, like it was like lumps in it. And I was like, nah, we need to make sure it's blended well and better than that. We on a budget, but we can still look good. All right, so now we're going to the lips. I'm using my black liner pencil, and I'm just lining and tracing my lips. To each his own. I like using black because I know how to do it like not so heavy. If you don't know how to do it not so dark and not so heavy, then maybe you need to get a brown or a different color pencil. But since I know how to do it and I'm comfortable with doing it, and I started outlining my lips with black, so I'm so comfortable doing it. That's why I use black. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just outlining my lips. Y'all, I'm serving now, but I'm just going in with the premium lace wig eyelashes. Premium lace wig is also where I got this wig that's on my head, y'all. So they really hooked me up. They gave me a free thing of lashes. I'm gonna leave the link below so you can just click on it. But so I done put the glue on the rim of the lashes, and I'm just placing it on the rim of my eyelid. That's all I'm doing. And don't try to push it real hard up there. Just place it, and it'll just fall into place where it need to go. And I'm just going to do the same with the other one. Make sure you wait at least 15 seconds before you put the eyelash on after putting the eyelash glue on the eyelashes. But yeah, just place it up, that's it. Just place it up there. It ain't rocket science. It took me a while though to actually figure this stuff out. Like I was putting my eyelashes on my actual eyelid, like it was further up. It wasn't even on the rim of the eyelash of my eyelid as it was supposed to be. But after some practice, honey, I got it right. So, yeah. All right, y'all. Don't forget the lips, honey. Don't leave them out to dry. But yeah, just put your whatever your choice, whatever you wanna fix your lips up, doll your lips up with. I'm using my lip gloss, and I got this from the beauty supply store. Yeah, so I just put that on my lips, and I'm going in getting a lipstick of my choice that I want to slightly blend with the lip gloss, and doing my own lip color like that. So this lipstick, y'all, the reason why I'm doing it with my finger, this lipstick, I don't know what happened to it, y'all. I guess the actual lipstick has smeared off or something after or over time, so it just got real deep in there. So I just gotta put my finger in and put it on my lips. But yeah, that's how I'm doing this lip color today. I'm taking the pinkish blushes lipstick, and then I'm just rubbing it on my lips with the lip gloss. Okay, y'all, so now I'm just showing y'all how it look. This is really the end. This is the final result. As you can see, that's all we need today, okay? We don't need nothing too major. I'm going in with the LA Girl setting spray. I got this from the drugstore. It was actually at, I think, Walgreens or CVS. So I'm just spraying the setting spray on. Spray a good amount because you want it to set in and you want it to actually sit. So, yeah. And yeah, y'all, that's how you do your face beat on a budget. Something real slight but real pretty. Y'all, I don't know where this hair came from. Actually, yeah, I did. It came from my wig when I was putting this wig on. But dang, it was just everywhere. Y'all, a quick story time. As you seen step by step how I achieved this natural flawless finish. I have previous videos on my page, but they weren't as exclusive as this one right here. So I just wanted to show y'all actually how to do it step by step, something nice, something cute, and something flawless but natural on a budget. Oh yeah, and premium lace wig, y'all did that. They did the hair. This is not coming up, y'all. This is actually the makeup. It's the concealer I put up there. I did a little too much, but it's okay because I'm gonna keep rubbing it and it's gonna come off. But this is premium lace wig hair, and then these are the lashes. I will leave the link below so y'all can just go ahead and purchase your items. But y'all, anything is possible. My sound is messed up on my phone, but there's alternatives. I got IG so I can record like this little intro for y'all right here. And it's many times I just wanted to give up, like throw in the towel and give up on my dreams, on vlogging, on everything. But y'all can do anything you put your mind to. I am a living proof and a living witness, and I am a growing testimony. Peace out, y'all. Hope y'all like the video. If you like, please comment, like, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one.